Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain about init method in Python. So the init method is known as a constructor in Python or in object oriented programming terminology. It is used to initialize an object state when it is created. The method is automatically created when a new instance of a class is initiated. The method is nothing but init method. The init method is automatically called when we create a new instance of a class. You see, the purpose of the init method is assign values to object properties. Assign values to object properties. And the second major purpose is perform any initialization operations. That means when we create object of a class, that the time init method is triggered. In init method we can write a few more initialized methods, few more initialized operation methods, operation functions in init method while initializing the object of the class. We see few more information about init method. You see, example, we have created a bookshop class. The class name is bookshop and added the constructor and book function. So added the constructor and book function to bookshop class. The constructor will store the book title name. The constructor is store the book title name and the book function will print the book name. So here we are creating a one bookshop class. In the class we have one constructor of the bookshop class and we have one method name is book. So the constructor will store the book title name and the book function will print the book name. To test our code, to test our bookshop class with constructor and book method, we have initialized the object with the Rashma and executed the book function. See, to see the example of the bookshop and bookshop constructor and book method of the bookshop class, you see here the source code. Assuming class bookshop bookshop is the class name, and here def underscore init self data title equal title. These two lines are in init method. So in init method, title is assigning into self data title, that means book title. As we explained, book is the method of the bookshop. In the book method we are printing title of the book. So self data title is the title of the book. So title is the property and init is the constructor of the class and book is the method in the bookshop class. So this is the definition of the class. So here you see here b equal to book underscore shop is Rashma. We are providing Rashma as the parameter, that means title of the book. Here again calling capital B is the object of the bookshop class, and so here b dot book. So we are triggering the book method. The title of the book is the Rashma. So like that, the init method is triggering and initializing and helping our future, one of the major future in object oriented programming. Thanks for watching.